we decided that we want to get about a 30-foot RV, somewhere in that area with 2 slides, because we figure with 2 slides we'll have, larger bedroom, and we want a table, a kitchen, some type of table, a booth, and a couch. So those are the main things. We are also wanting something with a non-rubber roof. So we do not want any of those others. So it's around 30 feet, 2 slides, non-rubber roof. We've been using RV Trader for looking for RVs. I've been watching for a long time, have an idea of pricing and what's out there, what's not out there. So we were scrolling through one day on this, and we saw the different kind of RVs they have here, and a lot of them are not what we were looking for. There's a bunch of them that are sell by, like it's kind of a sell by owner. It's like they're going through somebody else, but it's sell by owner. So you got to deal with an owner. We wanted to deal with a dealer, so we wouldn't have any problems if we wanted to do inspections, or not worried about, more worried about checking it out and titles and things like that. So we were cruising along, and then I found a Holiday Rambler here, and it looks very interesting. Price is really good. Holiday Rambler is like a premium brand. They are metal roof, aluminum roof, I do believe, and the siding is aluminum too. It's actually riveted onto the side of the rig, so there's no delamination problems. So I found this on RV Trader, kind of looking over the specs, and liking a lot of what I'm seeing in the specifications, a lot of stuff we want. And they're also saying that the dealer does not have any additional fees or documents or prep fees, document fees, or anything else like you saw that other RV dealer that we were, scouting out. There's a lot of them out there. They'll charge you a bunch of money. So from here, I'll go to their website, see if it's still on there, because a lot of things on RV Trader is still not there. All right, so looking at it, it's still there and stuff. Everything's matching up. Price is good. Price is really good. Everything's matching up. Low miles for that old of an RV. Age doesn't really matter to us too much if it was well taken care of. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut into. I downloaded all the pictures already, so I'm gonna cut to the pictures and we'll look at the pictures of this. So it's looking really nice. I mean, I like this view. I'm looking at the windshield, trying to see if there's any cracks or anything like that. I'm looking at the bumpers, seeing if there's any damage there. It's got the storage bays that right out with the slides, which is really nice to have. I see an awning topper on that large slide there. Looking on this side, I'm looking at the back corners, making sure nothing's busted up there. The taillights are on one piece. Other side, same thing. Ladder looks like maybe a little boo-boo on it. Nothing major on the back end of the cap. Looks like it's got an awning topper on the other slide. And they got some pictures now of the interior. As you see, they're all about the same inside in the bed area. Nice cabinet, lots of cabinets. Looks like we got a pretty good sized desk in this one too. TV, so everything's good. This unit did have 2 air conditioners for 32 foot. That's kind of a good thing. Most albums don't have 2 airs. Looks like a hallway with a slide. Bathroom looks pretty spacious enough. The shower doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look yellowed. So I'm starting to think that this RV, the shower usually ends up being yellow if it's been stored outside a lot, and it's not yellow. So I'm thinking that this thing's been kept inside. Lots of room inside. Again, we got the kitchen booth. We got ourselves our couch. Looks like a nice little galley area. So a lot of lot of the check by, everything's clean looking, not really all tore up. I'm amazed what you can see on some of these. Just really liking what I'm seeing here. So we're it's on a Ford chassis, which is what we want. Didn't really want to go with a workhorse chassis. Does have a leveling jack system. You can see the controller there. They've already switched over to the digital TV, which is no real biggie for us. TV is not all that important when we're out. It's a just nice wide open area when the slides are out. Really liking the look of this RV. So from here, I'm going to contact them and see if it's available. And we'll go from there. And what'll happen, well, I already did contact them. So we'll contact them. I talked with them. Talked with Pearl, asked for some more pictures. Asked them to send me some pictures of the bays and the roof. I wanted to see what the bays and the roof look like, what kind of shape those in. So here's some of the pictures they sent us for the bays. And again, I look around the edging of the bays and stuff, and I'm not seeing a lot of rust and just damage tore up. The tires are new. They got a 2021 date code on these tires. They're Hercules tires. It's a off-brand of Cooper. So all the tires have been replaced. Generator's only got 500 some change on it, 509 hours. Just the bays are looking good. I mean, I'm just liking what I'm seeing here. Looks like they got the hitch. Looks like they got all kinds of different connectors. Whether they work or not, we'll find out. Not really worried about it. Again, the back end, no real damage. Kind of zoomed in a little bit on the pictures and trying to look at the striping and stuff and seeing if there's any cracking in the striping or anything like that. And everything's looking really good. I mean, it's an older RV, but it has been well taken care of. I think it's been undercover most of its life. So we will get to the roof pictures here. So the roof, it looks pretty good. Probably going to have to redo some of the sealant around at the seams and stuff, but that's normal. That's normal maintenance work that you do. You just take a putty knife and scrape off the die core and lay down some new sealant and stuff. But everything looking really good here. So they're missing a vent cap on one vent. I'm almost sure they'll fix that when I say something to them. But I mean, a metal roof. It's an aluminum roof. So we'll go ahead and give them a call and put a deposit on it. And then the next step will be, this would be Thursday, Friday-ish, when this is all happening. So Monday we're going to go ahead and drive to Virginia and look at it on Tuesday. Got an appointment made. So we'll go there Tuesday. If we like it, things look good, we'll move forward with the deal. If not, we'll just walk away and just had a quick weekend in Virginia. So this is what we found. It checked all our boxes. I like the older stuff. There's not a lot of technology in here to break. Being an older RV, the build quality should be through the roof. Again, it's an aluminum roof. The sides are metal, riveted on. I mean, you don't see that quality in anything built nowadays. Should ride nice. Should be a really good coach. So we'll see what happens in the next video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.